Consolidate your Excel data effortlessly by learning to merge multiple files into one cohesive document. Imagine you have sales reports scattered across various Excel files, perhaps one for each quarter. Our objective today is to bring all this information together into a single, unified report. Begin by opening your destination Excel workbook. This is the workbook where your combined data will eventually appear. Once open, navigate to the Data tab on the Excel ribbon. On the Data tab, select Get Data from the drop-down, choose From File, and then click on From Folder. Now, navigate to the specific folder that holds all your individual Excel files. Once you've located and selected the folder, click Open. A preview window will display the files found in that folder. Locate the Combine button in the top bar, click it, and then select Combine and Transform Data. A new dialog box, Combine Files, will appear. Select any one of your Excel files as a sample €. The choice doesn't impact the final outcome €, and click OK. This action will launch the Power Query editor, presenting a preview of your data. The next critical step is to click the Transform Data button. While in the Power Query editor, ensure you are on the Home tab. Click on Append Queries, and from the subsequent options, choose Append Queries as new. In the Append Dialog box, verify that Two Tables is selected. Then, click the Add button located under the All Tables section, followed by clicking OK. Power Query will now efficiently merge all your selected tables. Once you confirm the preview looks correct, click the Close and Load button on the Home tab. Congratulations! All the data from your individual Excel files has now been successfully merged into a single, comprehensive Excel document, ready for your analysis and reporting needs. This automated process significantly boosts efficiency when working with large or multiple datasets.